I have a family and background in Louisiana Creole Cajun cooking, so inspiration is by my pop.
And my background came from my grandparents. They owned a catering business that they were very successful in. We actually did have a couple of other companies that we could have went through, but rent-to-own trailers offered the best deal. You just have patience and take it one day at a time. It's better for everything to be lined up successfully than you forgetting something because you were trying to rush and do everything together. So do a lot of studying about the business and what you want to get into and what you want to cook and what you want to deliver to your customers, because that's the main thing.
Do not let anyone detour you. Stay focused, stay the path, keep pushing forward.
I definitely would recommend rent-to-own. The professionalism was there, the attention to detail when we asked questions, everything was answered, and I would definitely recommend anybody who's looking at owning or renting a trailer, this would be the place to come.
Start today. Visit renttoowntrailers.com. Hablamos español.